Hey, what's up everybody? This is Billy Josie, aka the New Generation Marketer, coming to you here from Jacksonville, Florida, and decided to do a little bit of a different video today here inside my car, just chilling. But listen, do you ever wonder what's the secret to earning extra income? I'm going to get into that. Before I do, always want to remind you that if you haven't clicked that subscribe button to subscribe to my videos, be sure that click that subscribe button at the very bottom there, and to your right a little bit of bell there. So you click that bell, that's going to allow you to get my videos or get notified of my videos when I release them. So here's the thing, what is the secret to earning extra income? You know, really, there is no secret to earning extra income. The thing is, if you want to earn extra income, focus on earning extra income. That's it. Focus on earning extra income. Take it a step a little bit further. What you can do if you really want to focus on earning extra income, do this. Write down 1 to 3 things that you can do every single day to earn extra income. And here's take a little step a little bit further. Don't just write them down. Do those things that you write down to earn extra income, and I can almost guarantee that you will earn extra income. That's it, guys. Secret to earning extra income is that there's really no secret. Just focus on earning extra income and take steps to do what you can to focus on it daily. 1 to 3 things that you can do